Struggling to place your photos in clean professional shape, or wondering how creators make these perfect image cutouts inside circle, letters and unique layouts? Hi everyone, Saif here from DigiWhisper. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use frames in Canva so you can drop your images into beautiful shapes with one click. You will learn how to add frames, adjust images inside them and use them to create eye-catching designs even as a complete beginners. Watch till the end to master this powerful tool. How to use frames in Canva. Frames are placeholders that allows anyone to make creative shape image or videos using frames. So let's see how we can use frames in our design. So first, click in the element section and here you can either click on the frames section from the categories. Here you will see the frames option is available, or you can just search here typing frames. Then clicking here and you will see different types of frames are available for you. Let's say I'm clicking here to expand different types of shape. So this is a circle frame, this is a square frame but rounded square frame. So there are different types of frame. Let's say I want to use a circle frame. I can click here and it will add a shape in my canvas. Now I can add a video or an image just dragging it here. Let's say I am adding an image here. Just drag the image and it will hold your image within the frame. Now you can also adjust your frame with the image. So double click here on your image and you can just zoom in or zoom out or make the position in the right place. Once everything is done, just click here in the done button. So see, your image is now converted into a creative frame. Now let's try another one. I'm taking another frame. Let's say I want to take this frame. So this is another frame and I want to add an image in this frame. So I want to add an image here from the elements library related to old city. I'm searching here old city and clicking in the photo section and I can get a lot of photos here. I need to select a free photo because my account is completely free. So I can't use these types of image. I can use this one. So I am dragging it and dropping it here in the frame. Now I can also adjust the frame position. So it is that simple. In this way, you can use creative shapes or creative frames on your video or on your image in your design. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.